not only CBI inquiry out of 41 people killed in Karur. Apart from that, his film, the last film, Jananayagan, it is also in problem because of BJP. So, they are doing, BJP is doing mischievous thing against Vijay. They are giving more problems against Vijay, not only Vijay. The present ADMK ally, you know very well, Mr. TTV Dinagaran. He was also forced to come to this alliance because of that. Not only that, Mr. Edapadi Palanichami, who is the ADMK chief, he also threatened. Then only he come to the alliance with BJP. When last year, 2024, why he was not joined with BJP? After that election, they have given summon to their relatives. So it is the problem, not only for Vijay, to everybody. So this, not only in Tamil Nadu, it happened for Maharashtra Shinde and our Pawar. Is everywhere BJP is doing this kind of things, especially Mr. Nitish Kumar. Nobody knows about Nitish Kumar. Nitish Kumar threatened by the central government for his some problems in the government of Bihar. After that only he adjusted. Otherwise, Nitish Kumar never accept their chief minister relinquish. The problem, he was also caught by BJP, their CBI or ED. That's why he accepted to resign.